Have you ever wondered how the Quran came to us? Today we'll explore the powerful story of its revelation, how it was protected, and why it still guides millions. Let's dive in. Let's take a journey back in time to a quiet cave outside the city of Makkah. This is where it all began. Our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, often retreated to the cave of Hira. He would sit in silence, reflecting on life, the universe, and the Creator. Then one night, during the blessed month of Ramadan, everything changed. The angel Jibreel, also known as Gabriel, appeared before him with a powerful message from Allah. But the Prophet, peace be upon him, was unlettered. He gently replied,
ما أنا بقارئ.
Jibreel embraced him tightly and repeated the command again. The Prophet said again.
ما أنا بقارئ.
This happened 3 times, and finally the first verses of the Quran were revealed.
اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق خلق الإنسان من علق اقرأ وربك الأكرم الذي علم بالقلم